Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Ngiphethe Puchabu 2-0 win to Orlando Pirates. Puchabu, thoughts on the game?
A scrappy game. I need to be honest. It's a very scrappy game. But what do you do in this kind of a situation? You and I will always talk about the previous Orlando Pirates. I will always say, unprovoked, your previous Orlando Pirates would have lost this game. So we need to appreciate. At this particular point last season, Sundowns was about 13 points ahead of us. So we need to appreciate, we need to be grateful. We are here because of the very same squad that we are booing today. And that's it's actually incorrect, you know. I will always make an example and say, if your child is being tormented outside, and also you as a parent, you do the same thing. So we don't have to do that to our players because right now, they are in a pressure that they are not used to. We are not used to be in number one, Sundowns Islandele in number two at this particular juncture. So I'm saying to the Pirates supporters, let's relax. Let's give them a chance. Let's allow these boys to come back. But over and above that, I'm saying to the coach, you would have seen the game between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orbit yesterday. You knew that the deficit is 2 goals. Obviously, you should have told your troops to say, Jens, this is what we need. So I've seen a very dislocated Pirates today, but because under certain circumstances would have lost games like this. Pirates grinded result today, and we are here because the boys played their part. So I'm saying to the coach, fix your defense. And over and above that, umangabe silone abantu. In time like this, let's get them back. Let's get Mapasa back. Clearly, we are not clinical at the last third. Let's get Mapasa back. We're starting Abombutuma that are not giving us anything. So bring back our players because we loaned them, we didn't sell them. But over and above that, I congratulate the coach, Uguti. We got the maximum point that we needed. Sundowns score a penalty on the other side. We are also scoring the penalty this side. Tina nabo siyohlangana elwandle. Angeke suke ku number 1. Bopha pakaniya bopha.
Oh, Puchabu, last question. Last question, Puchabu.
Yes.
The referee, man. If it wasn't for a referee for me, I think you would have scored 3 or 4 goals. This game should have been far too comfortable for us.
We cannot behave like Sundowns. Each and every game when you listen to coach Sundowns Cardoso, he's making a mockery out of PSL. So we are saying, Coach Cardoso, if you are not satisfied with the PSL, go to Portugal and coach there. But this is a PSL that has been formed by Abobab Koza, and we respect them. So we are not going to blame them. The issue of referees, see address each and every day. So it's not a new phenomenon. It's something that is there, hence there's a need for a VAR. So for now, whether referee or no referee, Pirates must grind result and we need to remain on top.
Thanks, Puchabu.